I hope you all are safe at your home. So today in this video we are going to learn chapter number 10, the spider and the fly. So here the characters of the play is been mentioned. Spidey is the spider, Flip is the fly, and the narrator. Narrator is the one who narrates the story. Understood? So let us begin. You have to read with me, alright? Spidey the spider has laid out a beautiful web and is eagerly waiting for Flip, the fly, to enter his webby parlor. Flip is hovering around, undecided if she should enter or not. So here there is an introduction going on that the spider has laid a very beautiful web, okay, and he is inviting the fly, that is Flip, to enter into his webby parlor. Spidey, will you walk into my parlor? It is the prettiest little parlor that you ever saw. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many curious things to show when you get there. So now the Spidey is inviting the Flip to enter into his web. So for that, what does Spidey says? Spidey says that my little parlor is the prettiest parlor, and the way into my parlor is up a winding stair. The meaning of winding is twisting and turning. So it is up in the twisting stair, so you need to go there to come into my parlor, and I have a very many curious things to show when you come into my parlor. Flip, oh no, to ask me is in vain, for he who goes up your winding stair can never come down again. So the meaning of in vain is without success. Okay, so what is Flip answering? What is Flip replying? That no, once anyone goes up to the winding stair means कोई भी आपके वेब में आएगा तो वापस जिंदा आ पाएगा नहीं, because the Spidey will eat that fly. That is why he is telling the fly to come into his web. Spidey, next page now. Spidey, I am sure you must be tired. Dear, with soaring up so high, rest your tired little head upon my silken bed and close your little eye. There are pretty curtains drawn around, and sheets are fine and thin. Come, dear, come now, do rest a while, and I'll snugly tuck you in. So now again the Spidey is inviting the fly by saying that you are so much tired, you come into my bed, close your eyes and rest. Okay, I have pretty little curtains drawn around my web, and the sheets of the bed are very fine and thin. Come, dear, come, do rest for a while. Flip replies, oh no, for often have I heard it said, they never wake up again who sleep upon your bed. So now what is the Flip replying? That once anyone sleeps on your silken bed, no one is able to wake up again. Okay, so now the Spidey is again saying the Flip to come into his web. So now this time what he says, oh my dear friend, what can I do to prove the warm affection I have always felt for you? I have within my pantry good store of all that's nice. You know you are very welcome. Come, please take a slice. So now for this time, what is Spidey saying? That you come into my pantry means the area where we can eat our food items. So he is inviting the Flip to come into his pantry, where which is a very good store and have all the nice things, and he invites to come sit and take a slice. Flip replies, oh no, kind sir, That cannot be. I have heard what's in your pantry and I don't wish to see it. So now what is Flip saying? She is replying that no, no, I cannot come into your pantry because I don't want to see it. Because if she knows, the Flip knows that as soon as the Flip enters into the web, the Spidey will eat that Flip. So that is why Flip is not going to Spidey's web. Then again, Spidey, oh sweet creature, you are witty and you are wise. How beautiful are your gauzy wings. How brilliant are your eyes. I have a little looking glass upon my parlor shelf. If you'll step in one moment, dear, you shall behold yourself. So now Spidey हार नहीं मान रहा है बट फिर भी मनाने की ट्राई कर रहा है. एंड दिस टाइम व्हाट ही सेज दैट आई हैव that your wings are so beautiful and very beautiful your wings are, and how brilliant your eyes are, and you look very pretty. I have a shelf, okay, upon my parlor, means I have a mirror in my parlor. So you step in for one moment and you shall see yourself, you shall look at yourself through mirror and see how beautiful you are. Flip replies, I thank you, gentle sir, for what you are pleased to say, and wishing you good morning now. I'll call another day. Okay. So now again the Flip is not convinced and she says that I will call you another day. Today I am not interested in coming into your web. Okay. Next we will see in the next period. Thank you and have a nice day.